Good morning, YouTube. Today we're gonna try and get this thing fixed along with some of our other cars because supercars all break constantly.
Today
I think this
can suck my balls.
today sucks balls.
So are you recording all of the nefarious activities?
If you're new to the channel, my name is Dan, Adam, Josh, Howard, stuff. Broken cars, broken 650S. All we did was change the fluids, and the computer's like, "Hey, I'm gonna put it in transmission limp mode." Because
Ironically, it's called limp home mode.
limp home mode, and it won't go into gear. So we have to push it. Yeah, it's push it home mode. It's a pushing cart. So we're gonna try and fix that. We think maybe we didn't add enough trans fluid. We're gonna try adding some more. Who knows? Anyway, today's gonna be annoying. And then we gotta fix the other cars. So stay tuned for all that. Like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Buy some shit from us. Go to normalguysupercar.com. We appreciate that because f***ing hell, these things are expensive. God damn it. All right, we're gonna get up in the air and hopefully fix it and lose more money. Oh, and just to add to the bullshit, I'm sick, so deal with it. Yeah, I sound like shit. So what we think we gotta do is just pull out the diffuser, crack open the transmission, and well, the little fill hole. We think maybe it just didn't get enough because it's actually a pretty sensitive transmission and pretty sensitive amount of oil, and I think it's like 5.5 quarts, something like that. So we're gonna give it a shot. Just so you know, YouTube, today is like everything that can go wrong is going wrong. So
We might die.
we're gonna die. Adam almost just died. So he was so we just stripped the screw, and while he was trying to cut a slash in it so he could use a flathead on it, the Dremel flung apart and almost killed him. That was sweet. When I went to start the 599 this morning, the battery was dead. So we have an anti-gravity in there. So I clicked the restart button. That still didn't have enough juice because it's that big of an engine, and I only have a 40 amp hour. I need to have like a 60 or an 80 in there. So I think we're gonna have to swap out that battery. The 458 parking brake went disabled. It finally did after rebooting the car. Then, oh, but the 430 actually was working better than normal.
The 360.
But the 360 has some weird whistling noise. Oh yeah, and then we're like, oh shit, we need to put in more of this fluid, but we threw away the hose that we were gonna use. Well, they picked up the trash this morning. Of course.
I went dumpster diving.
He literally went dumpster diving and it was already gone.
It's all empty.
This is great. What a fun day.
Make sure nothing got unplugged too.
Oh yeah, maybe you accidentally bumped something.
Well, that would be a problem.
Dude!
No. Dead serious.
What the
Oh, I love it. This
Yeah.
is fun. This is fun. We're
must
still
have
gonna
bumped it.
top this off though.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
It was like totally loose.
Totally.
Must have jarred it loose.
Yep.
Dude, he would have had that pop off when he was driving, because that was really loose.
Yeah. Yeah. It was off.
Wow.
This is fun, like I said.
I love
But you gotta love small
supercars.
victories like that.
Yeah.
Even though we f***ed up, nothing is detrimentally. Nothing's in a. It's not total.
Yeah, it's not total. Generally speaking. Okay, diffuser's going back on. We got that transmission plug back plugged in. That probably, there's your problem. All right. Round 17?
Probably need to clear the code again.
Probably.
Tyler just texted, said, Sean said don't add more if we already put 5 in.
Yeah.
We've added like negligible amount.
Yeah, it's fine. I'm not worried about the fluid. Yeah, send it.
We'll have to check engine lights. I need to clear it.
Oh yeah, we do have to clear the check engine light.
If I can find the port.
It's got to clear the check engine light.
You want to do it?
Well, we didn't try putting it in gear.
I'm using my gangster
That thing's pimped,
auto
dude.
link on this thing is the best. If you needed just a basic OBD2 scanner, I've been through I don't know how many. This is the absolute best one you can buy. It's only like 40 bucks.
Oh, nice.
It's an AutoLink AL319.
Oh yeah.
I don't even know if they make this one anymore. I've had it for a while. No codes. Here we go.
No whammies.
Da-ding.
Parking brake.
This car doesn't turn it off automatically.
No, it
when you
doesn't.
Put it in gear. McLaren.
Woohoo!
Shit, mother-
Bye bye.
So this thing leaked fluid in my driveway, so we were concerned that maybe it had something going on. So we just took the rear diffuser off just to double check, and I think it was just overflow from the F1 pump. We overfilled it a little bit.
Yep.
So all good.
I think your driveway's at such an angle.
Yeah, my driveway's really steep, so
It probably puked out some extra.
making sure we want the car to be legit. So
Yeah, we got a guy coming to proud. Do that again. Well, hey, we got 2 for 2 now. 2 fixed. On to the third one. Get this thing. Send it.
eat it.
Whoa, yeet. Get out of here, yeet. Bye bye. Last but not least, well, it's not even last. Actually, we still have to do the 360. We got the lineup of busted cars. You like that? Whoa, Josh. Whoa, Nelly. All right, hear that sound? Hear it? Oh yeah. It's got to be a TPMS.
Today on Plinko.
Oh my God.
That's embarrassing.
27 red.
No, you go all in black, man.
Oh, it's always 42. God damn it. So it's definitely a TPMS in there. I don't see what else it could be.
That's the unless they left a tool in there.
God damn it. Alright.
Yep, they're gonna have to dismount that tire.
Alright, for sure we can hear the TPMS rolling around there now. We gotta fix the exhaust leak, which is coming out of these connections right there and there. It's mostly that one. Mostly the...
Oh yeah, you can see it's all...
I can see the gap. Hooray. Alright, our final chore of the day. So we gotta get the... We're gonna get to the 590 minute, but listen, hear that? Probably like a vacuum leak.
Either that or the belt. One of the belts.
But if it was a belt, why would it go away?
If it spins faster.
Nah, it's because under full load,
Yeah.
it goes away. I think it's a vacuum leak. Alright, YouTube. Got the exhaust leak fixed. So all I had to do was unbolt a bunch of sections of the exhaust, then rebolt it, and
Gotta give them a courtesy rev.
courtesy rev. Dude, that's sick. It sounds sick. Oh yes. All right, we're gonna get this sucker bolted up. We gotta take the tire to a tire place so that they can get the TPMS out of there, and then it's basically done. Oh my God. Then it's ready for one of you to buy it and take it home. That's it. Well, they are gonna, so EAG is gonna replace some of the parts with production quality parts, because some of these are still prototype, and they're also gonna replace the shift cable with a shift cable that's the right size. So we're using a 430 shift cable because that's all they had available. We're actually getting a custom one made that's the right length. So both of those are supposed to go in next week, but actually by the time this video comes out, it should be ready to go. So send us an email, sales@ngsupercars.com if you want this car, and we can discuss and negotiate, and maybe it could be yours.
2 hours later.
All right, YouTube, we got the TPMS replaced. Check it out, listen. Oh. Oh no. Oh, f***ing hell. We can't, oh no. The valve stem's too long. I guess I can't use the cap. The valve stem cap's too tall. That is too close. I think I got a different valve stem cap. Well, here's the culprit. The TPMS sensor broke off. It was literally rattling around in the wheel. Yep, super awesome. See you, Josh. Bye. We're at the... I like your whistle. It's custom, yeah. It's woo woo.
When you want to woo woo, it's that woo woo. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Special edition Ferrari with the whistle. It's a high dollar option.
No extra charge.
Woohoo! All right, YouTube. we got the 430 all set. We got the 599 all set. We got the 650S all set. We did not fix the 360 today, as you can hear. We had to wait for the engine to cool down. We're gonna do that tomorrow. But in case you're wondering, if you have a 599 The button to reset the TPMS calibration is up on the top, on the roof in the center console. We were trying to find it. We had to Google it. That's where it is. So there you go. If you get a screen that says TPMS not calibrated, that's where the button is. But that's gonna do it for this video. You guys are amazing. We're gonna be doing a lot of cool car stuff, so please like, share, and subscribe. We do appreciate that. And of course, check out our website, normalguysupercar.com. Buy all your parts and services through us. Use the code NGS10 to hooks up with 10% off most of the things we sell. And Josh's out of here, and I'm out of here. We'll see you in the next video. It's gonna be sweet. Well, good morning, YouTube. I'm on my cell phone because I wasn't expecting to film a video today. I was just trying to drive the 599 over to the Howard so that we could do some business. Gotta do some business. And it dumped transmission fluid everywhere. Yeah, supercars are awesome. Here, channel. My name is Dan. That's Josh. Adam's over there. And that's the 509. It's busted at the moment. So this is why I wanted to put a bunch of miles on it before one of you buys it from me, so that it doesn't do this to you. Anyway, we're gonna pull off the bottom tray and see what the hell is going on. So let's take a look. Yeah, that is soaked.
It's everywhere. Something broke.
Yeah, I'm lucky I didn't fry the transmission. Thank God. Wow, that is, look at that.
I'm guessing a line or something came off.
I think a line popped,
Or
yeah.
maybe the drain plug was loose.
Yeah, it's a lot. All right, well, it's kind of shiny down there. A little bit of fluid. A ton of it fell on the floor. We wiped it up. So it turns out that that trans cooler line separated. You can see right there. It's not all the way in. It's not supposed to be like that. That's a problem. God dang it. All right, well, we got to clip it back together. All right, so we got the line sealed back up and yanked the hell out of it to make sure it won't pop off again. Who knows why it popped off, but anyway, so now we're just adding more trans fluid to replace the trans fluid that came out. So there's the fill hole and the fluid, and the stupid little thing broke. That's about how it's going today. Everything's breaking. Sweet.